What if I told you this vibrant, crunchy veggie right here could be the unsung hero in your quest for healthier living?
Red cabbage, also known as purple cabbage, is more than just a pop of color on your plate. This superfood is high in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin A. What does that mean for you? A stronger immune system, healthier skin, improved bone health, and a smoother digestion process.
But wait, there's more. Red cabbage is also brimming with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These not only give our cabbage its rich, red hue, but they also help combat oxidative stress in your body. Research suggests that they might help reduce the risk of heart disease, certain cancers, and inflammation. Pretty impressive for a humble cabbage, right?
Are you watching your weight or aiming for a healthier lifestyle? Red cabbage is your ally. It's low in calories but high in dietary fiber. That means it can help you feel full and satisfied without overloading on calories, a key factor in successful weight management.
However, before you swap everything in your diet for red cabbage, let's discuss some potential side effects. Like any food, it's about balance. Consuming large amounts of red cabbage can lead to bloating or flatulence due to its high fiber content. Plus, because it's rich in vitamin K, which assists in blood clotting, those taking blood thinners should moderate their intake. As always, when making significant dietary changes, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional.
Now let's talk about the fun part: how to incorporate this nutrient-rich veggie into your meals. The options are vast. You can enjoy drawing salads, sautéed as a side dish, fermented into sauerkraut, or even tossed into a stir-fry. The red cabbage is a versatile star, ready to shine in any dish.
Let's whip up a simple, tangy red cabbage slaw. Take thinly sliced red cabbage, mix it with apple cider vinegar, a drizzle of honey, salt, and pepper. Add in grated carrots, maybe even some raisins, and you've got a vibrant, crunchy salad that's a hit at any gathering.
Or how about a warming, hearty sautéed red cabbage dish? Sauté red cabbage with some onions, apples, a dash of balsamic vinegar, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. You'll end up with a sweet and savory dish that's comforting and packed full of nutrients. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try making your own fermented red cabbage or sauerkraut? It's a fantastic source of probiotics, great for gut health, and adds a tangy kick to any meal.
Making it at home is simpler than you think. All you need is thinly sliced red cabbage, salt, and a little patience. Just massage the cabbage with salt, pack it into a clean jar, and let nature do its thing. After a few weeks, you'll have your own homemade sauerkraut. And trust me, your gut will thank you.
But the magic of red cabbage doesn't end in the kitchen. Did you know it's been used for centuries as a natural dye? From coloring fabrics to Easter eggs, this vibrant veggie has a colorful history indeed. And if you're a gardener, you'll be happy to hear that red cabbage is a cool season crop, meaning it can be grown in both the spring and fall. Plus, it adds a burst of color to any garden.
So, there you have it, folks. The red cabbage, a veritable powerhouse of nutrients, a versatile culinary ingredient, and even a natural dye. Why not give it a try and add some color and a nutritional punch to your meals? We'd love to hear your favorite red cabbage recipes in the comments below. And remember, the journey to good health is not a sprint, but a marathon full of delicious discoveries along the way. Stay tuned for more helpful insights in our next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay curious,